Shout out to my affiliate. And we in front of a police man rolling out. I see the family. Get money to movement in front of the police man rolling out. You get money on this side, nigga. Hey, I don't know about y'all this week. It's for my niggas on the block. Grinding. You know what I'm saying? Niggas really get money out here. Hold on. Let me give y'all a little piece of my life, though. Check it. This is for my niggas on the grind, on the tip, and I ain't just talk about the grind, boy, I live in it. 24/7 landlord on a big shit. So it's kinda hard for me to avoid this shit. Now where I'm at, stuck in the trenches. Niggas trying to rap me and form a big snitching. Watch me beat the case to form a conviction. Watch me bring a back to form in the kitchen. And I go hard like step on for the Knicks, man. Straight 8 long like Tayshaun with a piston. Block shots, not you ain't jack from the heat. Nigga, you don't get clapped from the heat. Pray the ambulance pick you up. Hope that they grab you in the seat. Ride in, I storm, tapping on the beat. Switch the hatches with my weed. So you niggas better be easy. Please keep a rap for the beat. That's enough about y'all. Attention on me. I cop the standard, some attention at least. Keep hustling for niggas, you be somewhere eventually. I stay fresh, from my kicks to my teeth. Ain't nothing y'all can do to get rid of me. I'm on the block grinding, like Frankie Lyman. I'm after the paper though, I'm chasing dreams. On my tail chasing me. Stop the boy, cause I'm posted with the Glock and other toys. My niggas on the side of me, yeah. And them niggas that'll ride for me. Get this money. You know what I'm saying? I love you, B.I.G., man. My niggas. My brothers. I see you big university. Nigga, you know they do that at. You already know, nigga. We in Boston right now, man. And niggas don't know, nigga. We know every shortcut there is, nigga. This is one of them. This is one of them, nigga. Get there. Yo, Stan Nasty Jungle and DJ Blizzard, nigga. We here, nigga. We here. You know, big up to my nigga University, nigga. Round table DMC. You know what I'm saying? You gonna turn this into the record label. Watch. You know what I'm saying? You gonna definitely see us again. Come on, baby. This my shit. DMC, motherfucker. Round table. Yeah. We back in a motherfucking building.
Don't you, baby?
Man, big shout out to my people. If you ain't getting money,
come on, baby.
Straight up and down. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, baby.
Yo.
Hey, yo, I hit the track running. With some semi-automatic pistols in my palm and pussy, I'm gunning. Any nigga coming my way, bang your ass like a raisin in the sun. I'm homie, this ain't the play. Chris say for play, I waited in the stations. Scream, hurry up, nigga, give me the shit out your stages. You ain't hear me smack the shit out your face. One more time now. All you pussies lie down. Niggas is hoes, mascara on your eyebrows. This is for my niggas on the grind now. So fuck what it used to be. Cause it ain't never ever gonna be how it used to be. Many seconds better get used to me. Little young Dougie fucking up the hustle game. Fucking shots at nothing, man. Just to get a fucking name. Man, what's up with these fucking lanes? I don't know, but I know, boy, I smoke a lot of dope and I smoke a lot of hoes. The plan is to do a whole lot of more and keep my phone cops for show. But no, nigga, it ain't cops for show. It ain't pop for show. Nigga, right through that bedroom door. Catch you while you sleep with it. Oh, that's your chick, oh, that's your bedroom hoe. Flame slut gave me neck after one of my shows. And then we had another to ask you for a piece of smoke. Only piece you get from me is my piece of your dough. And then the piece I bitch when you hop on the boat. It's get money, motherfucker, see I feel me a boat. And then Ed sent in, it's the murder she wrote. About to drop the mixtape on niggas, murder the coast. Catch Chris on T, getting bread while it's low. Probably posted in your spot, moving X to your O. Oh, that's the business, chick give excellent show. But be cool, daddy, yo, cause the weapons are blow. I'm talking hardcore, on-call, heavy as so. Niggas mad cause the way my necklace slow. Well, take it from a faggot, turn beef to vegetables. Niggas ain't nothing to do. Get much money, much bucks. The business plus, and that's that motherfucking boy. What? You know what I'm saying, man? This traffic crazy, man. One thing you gonna know about Boston, there's some bitches down there. There's some bitches around here. The boys out here and shit, we don't wanna see them and shit. State police. No way. Yep. State, you get caught by the state police, you a dumbass nigga around here. But, you know? How many times I gotta tell these niggas, I'm through with the talking now. You can't back me down. You better ask around. I'm laughing at you clowns straight to the bank. Clean money got me feeling like my shit don't stink. And this other money I'm getting, I'd rather not say. This shit's real where I'm from, and the feds don't play. You catch the body and you might get away. It ain't safe. Niggas will get you the very next day. So play that in this game, you pray that all you pray. So to be another victim, it ain't never too late. Some niggas fake, and those the one you call, bitch. I represent what's totally the opposite. I'm on my Boston shit. Keep it official. Yeah, I'm humble, but don't make me reach for that pistol. And what's the issue? Full clip for a magazine, and like a magazine, I have you wrapped up in a sheet. The front page of the newspaper. A day later, it's one paragraph you won't get to read. University. Yeah, you know. You already know who you dealing with. If you're looking for that real shit, here it is. My hustlers whip it up like a dealership. The customers eat it up like sandwiches. We pick it up, move it around the area. Where? In my area. Where else? In your area. So knuckle up, motherfucker, if you ain't scared of us. That weak shit don't compare to us. Please. Hold on. Check it. Look at my face, motherfucker. Can tell it's been a hard life. Took trips, OT, long nights, flipping hard white. I do it for my ex-cons trying to get right. I stay fresh, motherfucker. That's why your bitch like. I get it to you for a consistent price. Niggas already know what I'm living like, and I ain't gotta spit it twice. Work on the same kitchen wipe. Re-up and flip it twice. Please, I'm back on my shit. Your bitch, yeah, she back on her knees. One take, I'ma get it. One take, I'ma spit it. One take for the cake, motherfucker, yeah, I got to get it. It's for the GMC. Motherfucker, it's evident, boy, you can see the G in me. And my whole team, that's why we all gleam. Big rings on the finger football team. And nah, nigga, we ain't running yards. Niggas running broads. When we running yards, I got this shit under control, boy. Yeah. Call me the control boy, nigga. I get it in and gets it out. Pitch it in and pitch it right, boy. I pitch it out. Mr. OT, 138 South, Mr. Money Route, nigga. Please. It's my nigga.
We in the motherfucking building. Round table GMC, nigga.
Shit, what up, Vic? What up, Illy? All my GMC niggas.
I see you, Big.
All my Get Money niggas. What up?
Big Will.
Split, nigga.
Yo.
Hopped in the 89 and call with the flip up lights that hit the highway quick. I'm trying to flip this right. Stack my paper so I ain't gotta live this life. Cause right now, quite honestly, I ain't living right. Penitentiary chances stuffed in my pocket, but still trying to keep prison out of my sight. Stay sucker free and keep these niggas out of my tribe. I got fire in my heart and a spark in my eye. Beautiful mind and still keep the gap by the side. Case a nigga wanna try, he die. That's it, gas split. Now your boy lay flattered in my mattress. Bumping up with 12 off my nigga crack shit. When my gas fit, start pressing niggas to pass tips. It's money to get, how you niggas was acting. 24/7, catch Chris where the cash is. On my chain and cop more white than an aspen. And flood the block with diamonds inside the aspirin. I get money on this side, I get it cracking, motherfucker. It's my nigga. Relax your mind, let your conscience be free. Now fuck with the thugs from the GMC. We get money, nigga, you know. We get money, nigga, you know. Relax your mind, let your conscience be free. We now fucking with the cats from the RCP. We get money, nigga, you know. We get money, nigga, you know. If it's me you got a problem with, Please holler quick, don't leave a message, cause I'm currently where the dollars is. Or probably fucking with a blonde head model bitch. Push too strong, can't bag it, gotta bottle it. And when I'm hollow spit, you get to follow quick. The niggas already know what it is, they acknowledge it. I'm popping off shots at niggas fucking knocked up on everything. Niggas chain in your fucking watch. I hope you get it straight. Fucking song on the album, you got something to say it in my face. And I fall way up close and personal. So you can't run away if I decide murdering you. And most likely that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I drop you quicker than a hole in a parachute in the alleyway or broad day on the avenue. Give you a slug and take your life as collateral. I don't wanna battle you, cause I'll embarrass you and have your shadow scared to stand back at you. Homie, this is factual. I don't speak fiction. Real recognize real, that's why the streets listen. Haters keep dissing, hating with their envy. Eating bitch, niggas. That's the jungle, man. This mistake go hard, man. I done played this back so many times. We're gonna get it. Being born, blizzard body, very brick and stone. The most desired underground, the records to my soul. I'm cold for a reason, left close about it evening, so I keep my rise tasty. I subtract my season in. For no reason, things are still bleeding. Trying to get to where I need to sleep when my heart stops beating. When my stomach stops feasting and my mouth is choked. Steady love and starvation with the fasten in my throat. With the swagger that I tote. You know what I'm saying? That's for my bro, Mr. You know. You know how the story go. Nigga, round table GMC 617. My CD fucked up, my niggas. You know what I'm saying? My CD fucked up, my niggas. You know? Guess that shit scratches. I play this shit back so many motherfucking times. You know? So I'm throwing you three. Loving smoking my trees. Hey, step as I stroll through the beam. To the top is my dream. I'm throwing shots to your seam, so you should vest up your clothes if you don't know what I mean. Blizzard. Let's not play with my cream. Heavily carrying beams. Little man don't sleep. I'm nightmare to your dreams. I'm heaven sent to the fiends. Watch me do this. Got the king. Bitches.
Smoke some, my nigga.
Stuck to my niggas. You know what it is. Stuck to the realest. And my word is my bomb. Standing tall to get at you, rock a steady, cock it ready, Freddy swirl up and smack dude. Pull the plug if I have to, see I'm not like a cashew, this is real, I don't act fool on a trillion black dudes. Push me. Sell them right and I'm looking, price is right and I'm cooking. Smart as hell and I want cup cookie. You know what it is, nigga. Roundtable GMC, man. Thank you for listening to me. I know all my friends see this, so you know what I mean. I love all y'all. Y'all know. I don't even call y'all fans. I call y'all friends. All that.